My name is Jorge Enrique Oviedo Rivera. I am 48 years old. In my free time, I usually rest and dedicate time to my family and household things. I do college work and advanced pending tasks alike in the municipality of Jumbo Valle del Cauca and last vacation. I was my family in the municipality of Darien in cabins, sharing and enjoying nature and the cold of this. Alike with my wife and my two older children. I work the cement company Argos as a laboratory assistant in the area of control and quality and study technology in industrial management in the UNADChef. List of ingredients: water, rice, cinnamon, milk, condensed milk, milk cream, raisins. Um, Rice pudding is a typical dessert of the traditional gastronomy. Where is main ingredients? It's rice. It can be served hot or cool as well, and adding additional ingredients such as raisins or coconut shredded. Steps Steps 1. Firstly, in put over low heat and the rice, cinnamon and the water let it cook for 20 minutes. Step 2. Afterwards, cooking the rice at the meal, stir well and wait until it boils. Step 3. The boiling at the condensed milk and continue stirring. Step 4. In the same saucepan and the cream and cook, stirring constantly for a few more minutes. Step 5. Finally, and the raisins and stir to integrate as the ingredients. Turn off the heat, remove the pot and serve. Thanks for your attention.